we are. Let's go, guys. We got Evan, bro as hell. Emma, bro as hell. Look at the shoes, everyone. They're very nice. Look at the shoes. Harrison. Not bro, right? Not bro. All right, here we go. I'm about to hit up this terrain park. Oh God, no, please. I'm gonna cause a crash here for the video. Get out of my way, bro. You see that chick in the gym checking me out? All right, here we go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Open sesame help. Come and do it with a damn. Harrison, hit it, dog. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Where's to the camera? Where's Emma? Trying to get me dumb.
Now the formula is
Did we,
yeah, you had 3 times?
Doing CB1. Yes. She's coming. Oh, oh. Who's going? I can't go first. I got the film. I'm going third or fourth.
I'm going first because I want to watch everyone.
Do say hello. I'm going after Evan. I'm doing it. I'm gonna hit that. Good. I'm going after you. Why would I go? I don't get to see it.
I want to see you.
Wow! Oh shit! Oh shit! Not that one. No. Here we go! Here we go! Oh shit! Oh! Ah! Harrison looking like a boss. Evan looking like a boss.
I just didn't have enough.
Other guy looking like a boss. Here comes Emma.
Are you doing that jump?
Yeah, bro. You hitting it?
I'll
I want to see how fast someone goes off
Probably
it
not.
first.
It's pretty big.
Hello. Allow me to introduce myself. Got this nice ski team here, showing off. My name is Shirley, and then to be never meant to be you. Wow. Whoa, whoa, here we go! Big air, baby! Oh shit, motherfucker! Oh shit, motherfucker! Hands up, hands up! Woo! Oh! From Madrid to Calabasas, Tijuana, Mexico to the Is this smart? this kid. Ah! Missed it. Whoa! That's the stairs. What else we got? Those jumps were perfect.
I went up a second.
He slid on it and landed. That was awesome. I think he meant to do that though. That was cool. He like went on his back off the rail jump and then landed on his feet. I looked back when he was doing it and I might have got it. But it's alright. It's alright. Do you want to wait? Are we waiting? Do you want to wait? Here they are. They come in the cool way. I guess. Harrison, hit it. I'm gonna get you. Go before me. Alright, here we go. Evan Haru lining up for his break. Here we go. The crowd is going wild. Here goes Harrison, missing it completely. No big deal. Here he goes. Approach is good. He looks ready. He jumps. Falls! Yeah! That's ice. It's alright. Slow motion. Terrible idea. Here comes our ball.
Go straight.
Alright, kid. Little time. You guys go first so I can get you. Lead the way, man. Go. Go. I'm coming. I'm not stopping. Go. Whoa. Girl here, wherever she is, so she's awkward later. Oh, she's doing good, very good. About to run into someone. No, she's going good, she's trying well. There's Evan, hey, say hi, Evan. And that's it. I just filmed this girl at the end. I don't know who she was. Keep this figure in a plastic jar. You know,